Hi, this is Adrian Melero from Miami Acupuncture Therapy, and in today's video, I'm going to demonstrate a very effective remedy for hiccup. Now, in Chinese medicine and Oriental medicine, there's usually a typical protocol where you use liver 3, stomach 36, PC6, and probably the number one point for hiccup will be REN 12, which is like right here in the middle. And I've done those points for the patients before. Sometimes it's still very difficult to resolve when it's one of those cases where the person's been like hiccup every few seconds for consecutive days. And once I had a patient who even went to urgent care, sometimes had difficulty breathing, etc. So I did my basic acupuncture protocol. Didn't seem to be slowing it down, but I think it was still having an effect. So what I did to make sure the result, I used microcurrent. Now, if you've watched my other videos regarding microcurrent, with the direct current and the programmable frequencies, the specific frequencies to relax muscle spasm is 29 hertz. So what I did was, I flipped the patient over. All right, go ahead and turn face down. And then the patient will be without a shirt. And then I will put the electrode pads. I will put them directly over where the diaphragm is, because usually that's what's causing the hiccup, spasm of the diaphragm muscle. So I will put the electric pads there, and I'll put the frequency 29 hertz for anti-spasm. And as soon as I did that with the patient, almost immediately the hiccup stopped, disappeared. So I thought that was very fascinating. So that's one example of how frequency-specific microcurrent using the Accutron Mentor can be very effective for hiccup use.